Hello students, as in the last lecture, we started with the new chapter that is from Max 1 angles and its measurement, in which we saw the basic concept of your ninth and 10th standard. We saw a very important definition called as coterminal angles. We took some example on coterminal angles, and then after that we saw a very important concept, the conversion between degree to radian and radian to degree. Yes or no? And then after that we saw uh, how to draw the angles. Yes or no? How to draw the angles for the following measure and how to determine their quadrants. I hope you all understood all the concept, the sums which we had done in the last lecture. So today we're gonna see a very important concept, that is how to convert degree to minute and minute to second. This is one important concept, and the second one is what, how to express the following angles in degree, minute and second. Here you will have the number in degree. In terms of degree, we have to express the angle, this degree, we have to express this angle in terms of degree, minute and second. So before that we must know how to convert degree to minute and minute to second. So let's begin with the concept here. So now the concept is what, to convert degree to minute. So here we'll write degree. So we know that the symbol which we use for degree is what, 0. For minute, the symbol which we use, raised to dash. Okay. And for second, we use double dash. Like suppose if I say 11 degree, 27 minute and 36 second. Here we don't have millisecond, nanosecond. Okay. Here we have only degree, minute and second. So how we read this? As this part, I guess you all might be knowing how to read 11 degree, 27 minute and 36 second. As this section, this I guess you all might be knowing, you had seen in geography. Yes or no? Latitude, longitude. So how we used to read degree, minute and second. So for degree we use 0, for minute we use a single dash, and for second we use double dash. Okay. So now we'll see the conversion, how to convert degree to minute and then minute to second. To convert a given degree into minute, simply what you will do, you will multiply that number by 60. Whatever the answer you have in degree, so simply you will multiply that number by 60. So as you will multiply by 60, it will get converted into minute. As we saw one conversion, how to convert a degree to radian and radian to degree. Yes or no? So same way, to convert degree into minute, simply you have to multiply that number by 60, so it will get converted into minute. And to convert minute into second, again you have to multiply that number by 60, so that section will get converted into second. In simple language is what, 1 degree, 1 degree is equals to 60 minute. 1 degree is equals to 60 minute, and 1 minute is equals to 60 second. For example, if I say, if you want to find the answer for x degree, or else we have to convert this x degree into minute, so simply what you will do, you will multiply that term by 60. So as you multiply by 60, so this degree will get converted into minute. In the same way, suppose here we have x minute and we have to convert that minute into second. So simply you will multiply that number by that term by 60. As you will multiply by 60, that minute it will get converted into second. So this is the conversion. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute is equals to 60 second. Okay, so this is the conversion. Simply you have to multiply by 60 and multiply by 60 to convert degree into minute and minute into second. And see the symbol which we use. The symbol which we use for degree is raised to 0, for minute is single dash, and for second is double dash. Okay, I hope you all understood till here. Now suppose if you want to convert degree 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 directly to second, no minute. Okay, so if you want to convert degree directly to the second, so the fundamental is what? If you want to convert degree directly to the second, so here we have 60 and 60. Okay, so 1 degree is equal to 60 minute and 1 minute equals to 60 second. So if you want to convert degree directly to the second, so simply what you will do, you will multiply by 3600. Remember this. Okay, why? Because here we have 60, here we have 60 into, yes or no, we are multiplying na. If you want to convert degree into minute, multiply by 60, minute into second, multiply by 60. So there is a multiplication, there is a relation of multiplication. 60 and 60 will be what? 3600. So remember, whenever you have to convert degree directly to second, the fundamental will be what? 3600 second. Got the point? Okay, so now we'll see the reverse fundamental. Reverse fundamental means what? If you want to convert, if you want to convert second into minute and then minute into degree, so what will the process? So here the process will be what? It will be very simple. As here we are multiplying, so here what we'll do, we will divide. Divided by 60. Okay, so divided by 60, it will get converted into minute. Again divided by 60, it will get converted into degree. So in simple language, as we know that 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, so 1 minute will be equal to what? The 60 will go down, so 1 upon 60 degree. Yes or no? So simply what you will do, if you want to convert minute into degree, you will divide. As in this process, when it goes degree to minute and minute to second, you have to multiply. In the reverse process, you have to divide. Remember this. Okay, so 1 minute is equals to what? 60 second. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So therefore 1 second will be equals to the 60 will go down, so 1 upon 60 minute. In simple language, what I want to explain, whenever you will convert second into minute, simply you have to divide that number by 60. If you want to convert minute into degree, again divide by 60. As here the process is what? Multiply. In the reverse process, okay, when it will come back, that time you have to divide. Okay, suppose here if you want to convert second directly to degree, so we know that 1 degree is equals to 3600 seconds. So 1 second will be equal to what? Directly if you want to convert second to degree, so simply you will, as here we are multiplying, when it will come back in the reverse process, you have to divide. Yes or no? Got the idea? In this direction, multiply, and when it is coming back, we have to divide. Okay, so 1 degree is equals to 3600. Why 3600? 60 and 68 will be 3600 only. Okay, so 1 upon 3600 divided by 600, so directly it will get converted into degree. So this is the relation between degree, minute and second. So you must know how to convert the conversion as it goes from degree to minute and minute to second, and when it come back, what is the relation? So in simple language, when we convert degree to minute and minute to second, there is a multiplication process, and when it come back second to minute and minute to degree, so there is a division process. So this two part you have to remember. 1 degree is equals to 60 minute, 1 minute equals to 60 second, and 1 degree if you want to convert directly to second, it will be 3600. In the same way, 1 minute the 60 will go down. Yes or no? 1 minute will be what? 1 upon 60 degree. That means if you want to convert minute to degree, divide by 60. 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So 1 second will be equal to what? If you want to convert second into minute, again divide by 60. Divide by 60, it will get converted into minute. So in simple language, I will say degree to minute and minute to second multiplication, and second to minute and minute to degree division. So these are the two process in which you can convert degree to minute, minute to second, and then you can come back also. I hope you all understood this part. Okay. Okay, so now we'll take some few example here, as we know that how to read this number. As first one, it is in degree, second one it is in minute, and third one it is in second. So we read it as 11 degree, 27 minute, and 36 second. Now here we'll see the conversion. So here we have one example, that is 65 degree and 30 minute. Okay, now here we have to convert this whole process into degree. So now we'll see, if you come across the sum like this, degree and minute, and in the question it says that you have to convert this whole process into degree. So simply what you have to do, listen here. 65 degree 30 minute can be written as 65 degree plus 30 minute. Here also this process, actually it can be written as 11 degree plus 27 minute plus 36 second. Okay, if you remove this plus, we read it as 11 degree 27 minute and 36 second. Actually this step, actually we can write it as 11 degree plus 27. So here the relation is what between these two number, that is plus. So remember, whenever you have a degree, minute and second, the relation between this will be what? Plus. Okay, so if you remove this plus, we read, after that we read it as 65 degree and 30 minute. Okay, so you got the idea. If you have degree, minute and second, we can write it as 11 degree plus 27 minute plus 36 second, or this can be read as 11 degree 27 and 36. Okay, so now here we got the idea. Whenever you come across the sum like this and you have to convert this degree and minute, the whole section, into degree, that means your final answer, you must get the answer in terms of degree only. So that means we have to remove this minute. Now we'll see how to convert this whole process into degree. So simply first step will be what? You will write this as 65 degree plus 30 minute. After that, as we know that we have to convert this whole process into degree, so here this section, it is already in degree, so we'll keep this part as it is. But we have to convert this minute into degree, and we know that if you want to convert minute into degree, so what is the process? You have to divide that number by 60, because we know that 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60 degree. Yes or no? If you want to convert minute to degree, so what is the process? You have to divide that number by 60, then only it will get converted into degree. Yes or no? When it coming back minute to degree, second to minute, so the process is division. When it goes in this direction, degree to minute, minute to second, that time you have to multiply. So here clearly it says that we have to convert this whole section into degree. So that means your final answer, it should be in degree. So as the first part already it is in degree, so keep that number as it is. But your second part, it is in minute, so we have to convert this minute into degree. So there is a relation between minute and degree is what? 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60. So simply to convert this minute into degree, you will divide that number by 60. As you will divide by 60, indirectly or directly we can say it will get converted into degree, because 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60 degree. Got the point? After this, as clearly we can see that here 0 will get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 twos are, so here we left with 1 by 2 degree. Yes or no? Got the point? Understood? Okay, as both the numbers are in degree, yes or no, this is 65 degree and this is 1 by 2 degree. If both the numbers are in degree, so this section, this process, this step, we can write this as 65 plus 1 by 2 one time. Okay, so we can write this degree one time. So this degree one time indicate what? Both the numbers are in degree, 65 degree and 1 by 2 degree. Yes or no? Got the point? Understood? After this, we can do the cross multiplication. So 2 60 5s are 2 5s are 10. Yes or no? 130 plus 1 upon 2 degree. Yes or no? Then after that, this will be 131 upon 2 degree. Okay, so here the final answer, can you see the whole section, it is in degree. So after that you can stop your answer. If you feel you can reduce the number further, then only you can solve the sum further, otherwise keep the answer as it is. I hope you all understood the process, the conversion, how to convert whenever you come across the sum like this, degree and minute, and it says that you have to convert the whole section into degree. So simply what you will do, between these two you will write plus, and already the first part it is in degree, so we'll keep that section as it is. But we have to convert the degree into minute. So we know the relation, a minute into degree, sorry, minute into degree, and we know the relation from minute to degree. What is the relation? Simply you have to divide that number by 60, then only it will get converted into degree. So here we have the relation, that is 1 minute is equals to 1 upon 60. As you will divide that number by 60, that minute will get converted into what? Degree. So that only I did here. I divide this number by 60, so that minute it will get converted into degree. So here we got 1 by 2. As both the terms, both the numbers are in degree, so we can write this part as 65 plus 1 upon 2 degree. After that cross multiply, so here we got 131 upon 2 degree. I hope you all understood the method and the sum and the process how to find the answer. Okay, suppose if there is a twist in the question, if it says that after converting the whole section into degree, also convert that section into radian, also convert that section into radian, as here we got the answer in terms of degree. Suppose in question it says that you have to convert the section in degree as well as in radian. So that time what you will do, as here we got 131 upon 2 degree, and we have to convert that now degree into radian, and we know the process to convert degree into radian. What is the process to convert degree into radian? It is 1 by pi by 180 radian. So simply you will multiply this number by pi by 180 to convert degree into radian, as this is the relation. Yes or no? 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radian, and to convert radian to degree, so that is 180 upon pi. Yes or no? Suppose in case in the question it says that you have to convert the whole section in degree as well as in radian. So as here we saw the process to convert into degree. Now we'll see the process to convert into radian, and we did almost 3-4 example based on this, how to convert degree to radian and radian to degree. I hope you all might be knowing the process and the conversion. So here simply you will multiply this by pi by 180, so it will get converted into radian. Further see if we can do the cancellation. No, we cannot do, because here is a odd and even number. So the final step will be what, 131 pi upon 2 into 180, we can write as what, 360. Okay, so here in degree it is 131 upon 2, and in radian that is 131 pi upon 360. So in this way you will convert this degree minute into degree and as well as in radian. If in the question it says that you have to convert in both the section, degree as well as in radian, in both the system, if they say, you have to do this process. I hope you all understood the method. So let's take one more example, then only you will come to know how to track the sum. Yes or no? So here we have 75 degree 30 minute. So 75 degree 30 minute. So the first step you will write as what, 75 degree plus 30 minute. Okay, as this section already it is in degree, so we'll keep this part as it is. Now we have to convert this 30 degree into minute. So we know that the relation is what, to convert minute into degree, simply we have to divide the number by 60, so it will get converted into degree. So here same step you have to follow. So here 30 upon 60, as you divide that minute into, if you want to convert minute into degree, simply you will multiply, simply you will divide that number by 60, so it will get converted into degree. So this is the process, this is the relation. I hope you understood the relation, how to convert degree to minute, minute to second, and when it come back, what is the process. Okay, so we'll keep the 75 as it is. So when you will cancel this part, you will get 1 by 2 degree, 1 upon 2 degree. Further this we can write as what, as both the numbers are in degrees, so we can write this section as 75 plus 1 upon 2 degree. Yes or no? Further a cross multiplication, so here you will get what, 150 plus 1 upon 2, so this will be 151 upon 2. So here we cannot cancel this part, so we'll keep this section as it is. Yes or no? Suppose in the question if it says that you have to convert now this degree into radian, so simply what you will do, you will multiply this number by pi by 180, so it will get converted into radian. As we cannot see any reduction here, we cannot reduce the number, we cannot cancel, so the final answer will be 151 pi upon 360 radian. So that's the process to convert degree into minute, minute into second, and when it come back, see the process. Okay, so remember, degree to minute into minute to second into, when it come back, divide and divide. Got the process, understood how to apply, how to convert. Okay, this types of sum actually it is there in the exercise, so you must know the conversion, how to convert this whole part into degree. I hope you all understood both the example. So let's have a quick revision. So here we saw how to convert degree into minute and minute into second. So to convert degree into minute, simply you have to multiply that number by 60, so degree will get converted into minute. And if you want to convert minute into second, again multiply by 60, so that minute will convert into second. If you want to convert degree directly to second, so you have to multiply by 3600. Remember this, 3600. So here we have the concept, that is 1 degree is equal to 60 minute, 1 minute is equals to 60 second, and 1 degree directly to second is 3600. And if you want to convert second to minute and minute to degree, so in this process you will divide. So here we have the formula: 1 degree, the conversion, 1 degree is equals to 1 by 60, 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degree, 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minute. In simple language, if you convert second to minute, simply divide that number by 60, so it will get converted into minute. If you want to convert minute to degree, simply you divide that number by 60, so that minute will get converted into degree. So this is the conversion: 1 minute is equals to 1 by 60 degree, 1 second is equals to 1 by 60 minute. And if you want to convert second directly to degree, so that time what you will do, you will divide it by 3600. So second, when you divide that term number by 3600, that second directly it will get converted into degree. I hope you all understood the concept, the relation between degree, minute and second, how we read, how to solve, how to convert the whole process, whole thing into degree, and after converting into degree, after that how to convert that degree into radian. Okay, so that is the end of the concept, I can say, about degree, minute and second. Okay, so now we'll see the next important concept: express the following angle. As here we have the angles, yes or no? Clearly we can see that it is an angle because the power is 0. The power 0, this symbol 0 indicate what? It is in degree. So degree means what? It is a angle only, no? It is angle. So express, we have to express the angle in terms of degree, minute and second. That means now we have to convert this whole degree into 3 section. That means we have to convert that angle into 3 section: degree, minute as well as in second. So in the next video we're gonna see how to express the following angle. That means how to convert this whole degree into degree, minute and second. Okay, I hope you all understood this basic conversion between degree to minute, minute to second, and second to minute and minute to degree. Now we'll see a very important sum from the exercise: how to convert angle into degree, minute and second. So this question is very important for exam point of view. Okay, so now we'll see the conversion now here. Okay,